A lot of leaders come to me and talk to me about the challenge of prioritizing, and they talk to me about it as a personal challenge for themselves and also as a challenge for their team members. How do people in the team and how does the team as a whole decide to prioritize and focus on the most important things? One of the challenges that you may have as a person, as a team, and as a leader is the challenge of what is the time spent on. And a lot of times you'll find that there's a lot of busy work that is happening, doing, going, but the question is, doing what? We live in a culture that glorifies being busy, but what we should actually glorify instead is not the busy, doing. What we should glorify is the ability to decide what matters the most and what to put our time and our focus and our energy on any given day. The quickest way to do that, I found, is to prioritize from 0 to 10 very quickly. I wrote my book, 2-Second Decisions, on that. It's when you ask yourself when it comes to a certain task, is that a 10 right now? Because if it's a 2, I really should be focusing on my 10s. Using a simple scaling methodology from 0 to 10, where you know and the team knows what the 10s are, and you know what's also a 2 and a 1, I'm cautioning you not to spend your day, your time, your energy, your focus on the 1s and the 2s and the 3s while the 10s are being delayed.